how to filter out products using price range in the Daraz app. So first, open the app if you haven't already. Here, make sure that you're logged in and your home screen should look something like this. Here, you can see all the products that Daraz has recommended, but simply search for the product that you would like to buy. For this video, I'll choose iPhone 17 Pro Max, and here you'll see many options, but simply tap on the filter option right here, then tap on price, which is right below service and product. After tapping on price, you'll see two options where you can set the minimum price and the maximum price. For this video, I'll set the minimum price to 500 and maximum to 5000 and tap on done. Then after tapping on done, Daraz will now only show me products in the range of my price that I've set, and this is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos.